Namaste students. Today we see a topic that everything we see around that occupy space and mass is called matter. Let's we move on the lesson matter and its types. These are things present in the matters, elements, compounds and mixtures. We move on to the classification of matter. So matter, what is matter? Matter is classified into two broad categories, namely pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are further divided into categories as elements and compounds. Now see the classification. Pure substances, elements is the two types. One is elements and another one is compounds. Now see the elements. Elements is a matter in its simplest form is called an element. We are using many elements in our daily life. The common salt is consisting of element of sodium and chlorine. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen. Magnesium, phosphorus used for making crackers. Sulfur is used as manure in agriculture. Gallium is used for making mobile phones and silicon is used for making computer chips. There are 118 known elements till date. 94 of these elements acquired naturally, while 24 elements have been created artificially in the laboratory. Now see the classification of elements. We can classify the elements broadly into metals, non-metals and metalloids based upon the chemical properties. Do you know that Robert Boyle is the first scientist used the term of element, an early proponent of the element nature of matter and the nature of vacuum. He was known best of Boyle's law. So metals. Metals we have tools, utensils and jewelry made from silver, copper, iron, gold, aluminium using pressure like hammering or rolling. We can deform these materials into various shapes. Such elements that are malleable, a material may be flattened into thin sheets of various shapes. It's called the metals. So metals are generally hard, shiny elements. Sodium is one of the expression as it's soft. All metals are solids at compounds. Next we are go to the compounds. The compounds is a pure substances that is formed when the atoms or two or more elements combine chemically in different properties. Compound exhibits properties entirely different from the properties of the constitution elements. For example, the atoms of the elements hydrogen and oxygen combine chemically in a fixed ratio to form the compound water. However, water does not have the exact same properties as hydrogen and oxygen. For the example, at room temperature, water exceeds the liquid while hydrogen, oxygen exceeds gases. Also, oxygen supports fire whereas water is used as a fire extinguisher. Similarly, common salt, sodium chloride, is a compound made up of element sodium and chlorine. It is used in our food. Whereas sodium and chlorine are poison, are both unsafe for consumption. When use the sodium chloride for is the element into the compounds. Sugar is also the compounds. Chalk, which is present in the calcium, carbon and oxygen. This is one of the components. Next we have moved to the impure substances of mixtures. So what is the mixtures? The substances is anything that contain only one kind of materials. Example would be sugar, water, iron fillings. Next one is when you mix sugar with iron fillings, you can easily see the two solids in the mixture. The impure substances of mixtures, there are two types. One is homogeneous mixture, then another one is heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixture, uniform composition. Heterogeneous mixture is non-uniform composition. Homogeneous mixture is sugar plus water. Another example is water plus alcohol. Heterogeneous mixture is non-uniform composition, sand plus sugar, water plus oil. Next, this is your home activity, practice in your home. Next, I send the Demo video for heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Thank you.